Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you import data from Webpage to MS Excel. There are certain scenarios where we may need to copy some data, but if we just do a direct copy paste from Webpage to MS Excel, then multiple other components also come and get pasted in your Excel sheet and which becomes a cluttered one. So in this video, I'm going to show you the way you can copy data from a web page to MS Excel, which will be neat and without any of the clutter. Just one thing before we start, I have a full course available in Udemy where I talked about multiple such MS Excel related tips. If you are interested, please check out the links in the description below. Now, enough of introduction. Let's get into the computer right now to see that how can we import data from a web page to MS Excel. If you follow my mouse, I have a link already pasted here. So let me copy that. And if I go to any of the new web page and there I paste this particular link, then it will open. It's an IMDb chart where it's a list of top 250 movies. Now, if I want to copy this list and I want to bring those data in Excel file, how can I do that? There is one way that I'll just copy in this way and I need to paste in an Excel. If I get a new sheet added and there I paste, you'll be able to see that this is the way it pasted. It's with all hyperlink and other things, picture, other details. So it's not a clean data and it's directly a copy paste from the web page. But I am looking to copy the data in a clean way so that without any picture and other things, so that I'll have the pure data using which I can do maybe multiple different analysis as per my requirement. So let me show you how can you do that. So let me first copy this particular URL because it will be useful now. And then if I go to data tab and then under get data, there are multiple different options. Excel provides multiple way you can import data from outside world to Excel sheets. Now here what we need to do, I'll go to from other sources and there I'll find one option that is from web. If you click on that, then it will prompt to add that web page link from where you want to import the data. So I already have copied this particular link. Let me paste it here. So this is the link I'm looking for and let me click on OK. Now in the next prompt, it is asking for the authentication, that if you have a specific access to any of the website, you can use those credentials to pull the data. Maybe it's in your own website, you want to pull some data for some analysis that you can do. But here we'll go with anonymous access because we don't have any credentials here, right? So I'll continue with the first selection and then I'll click on connect. Now you can see it's waiting for imdb.com and it's trying to connect. So this is dependent on your internet connectivity, the amount of data you are planning to fetch, and also the performance of the website. So it may take some time to pull the data and you will get the next prompt. You can see it's still trying to pull the data and it's showing connecting. Now you can see another prompt came and this is the Navigator. It is showing and it's still trying to pull out the options available within IMDb website, and it will give us some of the references or options here. Now you can see it imported all the details. Now there are two things. One is document and second one, it found a table and it named that particular table as table 0. If I click on that, you'll be able to see a preview of the data. Now you can see in a table format, the title, the movie names are there, IMDb rating and other details are already there. So while I'll have different other views, like you can see it's a table view, the web view, it will show you the way we saw in that particular website, but I'll go to the table view. Now there are different other ways. Using Power Query, we can transform this data, but that's a topic of a different video altogether. So what I'll do, I'll click on load so that it will import that data from IMDb website to my Excel. So let me click on that. Now you can see it's trying to pull the data, this external data, getting data is showing, and also in the status bar that was also visible that it was pulling the data. Now you can see it pulled out the data from IMDb website and it converted the entire data to a table format within MS Excel, and it's much more cleaner. So the entire data imported without any other clutter. You can see it's a table format. You can click in any other format to change the formatting of the data. Let me do some of the things. Maybe last two columns, it's not necessary for us. So I'll delete it, and I'll also delete the first column. So now I have a clean data of 250 titles along with their IMDb rating. So if you're planning to watch your next movie, you can refer this particular list. You must be getting some of the good leads. So this is the way you can import data from a website to your MS Excel file, and you can utilize this particular feature whenever it will be necessary. Hopefully you learned something new today. If you like this particular video, give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel if you want to watch similar content in future. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye for now.